No? Alright, okay. Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we are in Bangkok, Thailand. It is the end of this group trip, which is just seems, it's bizarre to say. I feel like at the very start of the trip it was going by so slowly, and it just seemed like we had so much time to spend with each other, and then all of a sudden it was like blink of an eye and it was over. So I just finished sending off the last of my travelers to the airport. I have one traveler left, but he's actually doing both the Thailand trip and the Bali trip that we have coming up next back to back. So I have some errands to run, but also I made a hair appointment at the start of this trip to be able to come back and get my hair dyed, because yeah, it's really needing some assistance right now. And I don't know if you can tell, but like the tips at the end there are like gray. They haven't even faded back to brown. They're just like gray. So other than my hair, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be getting up to today, but I'm just gonna kind of be hopping around and I'll be bringing you with me. So let's do that now. Well, I'm back. Obviously I got my hair done. Did I get it done the way that I wanted it done? Not so much. But I mean, that is just how the cookie crumbles, I guess. So I don't know if you can see. I feel like my hair is like partly black and partly blue. I have received reviews from other people that it is partly black and partly purple, so that makes me feel a little bit better. I think I just need to like adjust to what it adjust to what it looks like. They had gone out to get me the Joico color that I always use back home, and like they said that they could get it, no problem, all that kind of stuff. And then when I showed up for my appointment, they were like, we couldn't get the Joico, but we have this color and it's the same, 100% same. It will be same color, etc., etc. So I was like, you know what? Sounds good. Pop her on there. Anything's gonna be better than what I have right now, or had right then. So they put the color on, and like as soon as it was on, I was like, this is not the same. So she's like blow drying it out, and she's like, in the sunlight it will be very similar, not 100% same, but very beautiful and whatever. And I mean, at that point it was on my head if there was nothing else that I could do. So this is my hair now. So other than that, I have just been working all day, picking up some little bits and bobs, some stuff, just picking up some stuff for the Bali group that is going to be starting in just a couple of days. I'm heading to Bali actually tonight, which is exciting, and Derek will be there, which is also exciting because it's been a while since I've seen my husband, and who doesn't want to see their husband? So I'm pretty stoked on that. So yeah, I don't really know what the plan is for like the rest of this time, but I will, yeah, I'll get back to you. That's going to be it for me for today, and this vlog. I know it was kind of not really an anything vlog, it was just like a day in my life kind of vlog, but that's travel, that's how I travel, folks. So just giving you the real insight into my life as a digital nomad and all that fun stuff. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it, because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and we're on our way to Bali, so there's going to be tons more travel content coming your way. Hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when we upload a video, so you don't miss out on all the fun. And until next time, and until Bali, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you there. Bye.